The only reason I'm able to pick this 20-gallon up is because it's super dry. So put all of the straw for each one of these things inside of here. And this, I'm thinking it's a Yukon Gold because I can see one of the potatoes already there. So let's pull it up, see if it will come up. And I'm going to sit down and get comfortable. Sweet potato is completely gone. Woo! So this was, I think this is a 7 or a 5 gallon. I'm not sure, but I see something was eating on these. And only one potato was inside of here. So it wasn't a lot of potatoes in here. And this is the seed potato. I don't know how it just completely detached from the potato, from the thing itself. So we got 3. Good afternoon. This is very good, Miss Sharon. Good afternoon. This potatoes coming up right here. I'm trying to decide if this is the seed potato or a potato itself, but it could be the potato. These are Adirondack blue potatoes, but they're really purple and they're really pretty in the inside. This is my first time growing them. They're not a really good storage potato. So, and they're not good with, like, if you want to do like home fries, cut them up and then put them in the freezer. So they're not good with freezing either. But they're good bacon, and my thought was to grow them for the experience, and also I wanted to make potato chips for the kids, you know, to like eat with their sandwich, to show them that there's other potatoes. Yeah, those were definitely, the first one was definitely Yukon Gold. Yeah, these are definitely Yukons. And this is russet. This is the seed potato.
Shout from the rooftops, let it out. He's the one our life's about. From the prison walls of fear and death, he's come to break us out. In the streets we're singing now, for he's come to show us how great the Father's love is, and that
I didn't realize that the camera wasn't properly fitted in frame, so forgive me, but I hope you guys saw.
it'll work itself all out. Feel it rising. Can you feel us rising? We are the young movement rising, stomping our feet, feel this tremor sizing to the beat of your heart. Let the whole earth shake through the ends of the world. Your love we take.
These are russet. I thought I had a lot more Adirondack potatoes, but apparently they were russet. No, just stay here. Sit right there. that. Look at that. That is a beauty. Oh, that's the seed potato. It is just mush. Let's put this here. I keep moving it back and forth. So I'm just gonna leave it right there. Ooh, there's a nice big worm in here. Did I get it? Yeah, nice big worm inside of there. Actually, if I see it again, I'm going to take it and put it inside of the, I just put some food scraps inside of the vermicompost in the bed, the in-bed vermicompost, my homemade in-bed vermicompost. So, some nice spoiled fruits. So rustics are not bad at all. It looks like ants were eating into this one. Yeah, it's a bunch of ants there. It was dry. Yeah, they're crunching on them. I left it too long. Ooh! Do y'all see that? Do y'all see what jumped out? Look what jumped out this bag. It was a lizard. And it was purple and blue. That was a lizard. I don't know where it went. I moved the straw possibly, and yeah, I see two more that got green on it, and we can't eat that. This is the tag. We can't eat them. But look at this. This would have been so cute. Little twins. I'm just going to put that over there. I am going to keep them, and these are Kennebec. 324, planted 324. This is our rustic potato. This will be really good baked. Really good baked. And then we have the last of our Adirondacks. And so I have to put these down in the basement and get them to cure. The ones that are in the basement should be finished curing in another week. Then I can transition and harvest. I have 9 more bags of potatoes that you see here. Potatoes here. That these are Kennebecs and Adirondacks. No, sorry, Yukon Gold that still needs to be harvested. So I'm gonna go and weigh these potatoes so we can get a weight on them. So I'm gonna take these down. That's it for our potato harvest and weigh in. Well, for today, we still have more potatoes to harvest. I'm gonna take these down to the basement, and what I usually do is lay a blanket, a dark blanket over them. We don't usually go down in the basement, but if the noise that you just heard is my husband down in the basement fixing one of my garden beds that the sunflower lifted all the way up, so he's making it a little higher. So, yeah, so he's cutting the wood down there. Oh, I didn't even see this one. This is a really good size. These are some good bacon potatoes. So that's what I plan to do. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.